this video you will learn how to turn on floating keyboard on your iPad. As you can see here, I have got a floating keyboard on my iPad, and if you are wondering how you can activate or deactivate floating keyboard on iPad, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can turn on floating keyboard or turn off floating keyboard on your iPad. In order to enable floating keyboard on your iPad, what you have to do is you have to first of all enable the typing interface anywhere on your iPad. Like you can slide down like this to enable Spotlight search, or you may also go to Messages, Safari or Notes, anywhere you would like to type. Then tap here to activate the keyboard, and once you see the typing interface on your iPad, in order to activate the floating keyboard, what you have to do is you have to put your both fingers on both ends like this and drag the keyboard inwards like this. And when you drag like that, this will turn into floating keyboard, which you may drag it anywhere and use it like that. And if you need to deactivate the floating keyboard and go back to original one, then you'll need to drag outwards like this. And to activate, again do like this, and that way it will be floating keyboard. And to deactivate, you may also simply drag it to the bottom like this, and this will be deactivated and the original keyboard will come up. And by the way, if you have updated your iPad to iPad OS 26 or later, then while using the floating keyboard, you also get the option to go back to full keyboard. Like you can tap here and select the full keyboard, and it will go back to the original keyboard like earlier. And in case if your iPad is running below iOS 26, then there is alternate option as well. For that, you have to first of all go to settings and then go to general. And once you are in the general settings of your iPad, what you have to do is you have to scroll and select the option for keyboard. Tap on that, and then you have to scroll down a bit and enable the toggle switch next to slide on floating keyboard to type. And if this is enabled, this will also enable the floating keyboard on your iPad, no matter whether you are running iPad OS 26 or earlier. So this way you may activate or deactivate the floating keyboard on your iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to install custom fonts on your iPad, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.